Welcome back to Ride Review. Today we're diving into the 2025 BRABUS Big Boy 1200 campervan, a luxury powerhouse that combines rugged performance with premium comfort. Right from the start, one standout feature is the built-in BRABUS Adventure Control system. This smart tech manages the van's power distribution, from lighting and heating to the power for all your gadgets, all controlled via a sleek touch panel, perfect for those who want to stay connected and comfortable no matter how far they roam. Moving under the hood, BRABUS equipped the Big Boy 1200 with a beastly 6.5-liter V8 engine, delivering up to 1,200 horsepower. That's right, 1,200 horsepower in a camper. With a 4WD system and an enhanced suspension setup, this van is ready to tackle rough terrains while giving you a smooth, stable ride. Despite its size, it can even hit 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 6 seconds, which is mind-blowing for a camper. The added fuel efficiency tech also gives it a surprising range for those longer trips, meaning fewer stops and more adventure. Stepping inside, BRABUS has gone all out. The interior is a blend of luxury and practicality. Premium leather seats with BRABUS stitching, a spacious layout, and clever storage options make this more than just a camper. It's like a luxury apartment on wheels. The van comes with a full kitchenette featuring a fridge, induction cooktop, and a small oven. Plus, the sleeping area is designed for comfort with a memory foam mattress and blackout shades, ensuring you're well rested after a day of exploration. The tech doesn't stop at adventure control. The Big Boy 1200 also boasts an integrated 360-degree camera system, making it easy to park this giant van in tricky spots. And for entertainment, there's a BRABUS sound system paired with a 4K TV and satellite connectivity, ideal for those remote nights where you still want a bit of entertainment. In terms of exterior design, BRABUS hasn't held back. The van's rugged, angular build is designed to turn heads, with custom LED lighting that's both stylish and functional for those late-night setups. It also features roof-mounted solar panels that charge the onboard battery, adding to its sustainability and ensuring that you always have backup power. Starting at around $500,000, the BRABUS Big Boy 1200 doesn't come cheap, but it's packed with features that redefine what a camper can be. This is a luxury home, a powerhouse vehicle, and an off-grid explorer, all in one. That's it for today's deep dive. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss our next review, where we'll be looking at something truly unique. Stay tuned to Ride Review for more exciting rides.